What up everybody, it's your boy Giovanni. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm on a new channel, Giovanni TV. Welcome if you're new. Today we're gonna react to Pontiac made DDG diss track on Lil Yachty. I don't know what the beef is, but my friends suggested this video, so I'm gonna react to it. If you're new, welcome. If you're new, subscribe, like, share. And yeah, I don't know what the beef is between him and Lil Yachty, but I guess we're gonna react to it. This is the audio, so when the music video comes out, if you want me to react to it, just tell me in the comment section down below. And yeah, let's get into it.
SKT, DDG, that's always.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. What we're playing, you know you a fan of me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
Okay.
Fuck yeah.
The reason why I'm wearing this, my ears messed up. So yeah. And start of this, I really like the beat. And the flow is like really good, so yeah, we'll see.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga bass. You don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley. Yeah, I'm sorry. Bitch, I'm gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies on my cards. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks. You only poppin' because this ain't like Fox. You don't know me, why you boasting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego. 10 for album, but you know it should be free though. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. What we're playing, you know you a fan of me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see. I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga bass. You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Wait, is that it?
Fuck yeah.
I mean, that wasn't that long, but I mean, that wasn't bad. Like I said, I don't know what the beef between him and Lil Yachty, but to be honest, that was okay. To me, that was okay. But damn, Pontiac made DDG dissing Lil Yachty. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share, and subscribe. And peace. Pontiac.